News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. It's now 8:32 in the evening. Time check brought to you by Asian Vision Olongapo. Check out Servisyong Ora mismo. Service assistance within 24 hours. Okay, they have the service assistance for you for Zambales and Olongapo, of course, kasama dyan. Contact number 0917-819-9816 and 0910 or 0919, I'm sorry, 056-0445. Ayan, okay, ang kanilang hotline numbers, okay? And yung landline hotline number naman, 047 is the access code, 250-1100. All right. Hotline numbers are open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. pag Saturday. Okay, so check it out. If you have questions or whatever you want to ask them, check out the awesome offers from Asian Vision. Okay. Plus, also they have an ongoing promo din, ano? I'll tell you more about it. Pero check out muna the what they offer. Fiber 1499. Now even faster with up to 150 Mbps. 150 na, dating 120 Mbps lang to no? And Fiber 1099, even faster with up to 100 Mbps. Wow, 1099 na lang, okay? So check it out. Their ongoing promo is it's called the trip to Vietnam, Wheels and Vietnam travel deals. Sign up or update your account. It's as easy as that. Pag updated ka sa account mo, you will earn raffle entries. And the promo period, mahaba pa hanggang December 31, 2025. Okay? Meron ding e-bike raffle. Na tapos na pala to yung e-bike raffle. But yeah, the Wheels and Vietnam travel deals is up until December 31, 2025 at Asian Vision. O, lipat na. Asian Vision na. Nako. Ako, I'm using Asian Vision at home. I'm very, very, very satisfied with their service. Nako, napakagaling. Nakakatuwa. Yes, yo. Yo, yes. Okay. So, moving on. Time for me to give you the latest update from SBMA Ecology Center. It's sea turtle nesting and hatching season, sabi nga, in the Subic Bay Freeport especially. And they're giving advice on what to do when you encounter them. Dahil nesting season na ngayong September, okay? Tuloy-tuloy yata, all months of na bare months, no? What to do when you encounter a nesting sea turtle? Unang-una, lights out. Okay? Patayin nyo kung meron kayong flashlight na hawak-hawak, cellphone lights, camera flashes, and even beach lights should be turned off. Yung mga operators ng beach, ginagawa nila yan you know, to protect the sea turtle. Okay? Lights should be turned off as it can cause the female sea turtle to abort nesting and discourage nesting altogether. Okay? Lalayo sila. Ikaw ba naman di ba? Mangingitlog ka. Di ba? Yung mga tropa ko naintindihan yan di ba? Mga pare, mangingitlog ka. Tapos may mag-i-spotlight sa'yo. Atras mo nga naman talaga yung pangingitlog mo. Di ba? So, ayan. So, lights off Kapag may nakita kayong sea turtle na medyo alam nyong mangingitlog, hayaan nyo sila, huwag nyo silang gagalawin. No touching! No touching. Ayan, okay. Oh yeah. Iniwan ko talaga kanina kasi I was promoting yung Asian Vision. Asian Vision. Okay. Palusot, no? So, no touching. Do not touch the eggs. Put any foreign objects on the nest. Touch or ride the nesting sea turtle and disturb the tracks left by the sea turtle. Okay? No touch. Walang manghihipo. Kay mahal pwede, pero sa sea turtle hindi. And clear out. Stay clear and out of sight of the turtle. Approximately mga 5 meters away, Okay? Until she begins laying eggs. Otherwise, you may scare her back into the sea or they may bite. Sea turtles have strong, very, very strong jaws. Okay? Hindi lang sila may strong jaws. Matatalim ang kanilang ngipin. Razor sharp ang ngipin ng mga sea turtle. Alam nyo ba yon? Kailangan evolution made it na maging matalim yung ngipin nila kasi yung mga kinakain nila, babalikan natin yan mamaya. Sabihin ko sa inyo yung importance niyan. And report it. Immediately call the attention of the nearby law enforcement officer or call them. And you may also contact the SBMA Ecology Center. Okay? 252-4656. Or simply visit the Facebook page. Everybody's on Facebook nowadays, I believe mas maraming ko-contact sa inyo sa mga concerns like sa SBMA Ecology or sa law enforcement via Facebook, no? Kasi araw-araw, di ba? Kahit saan tayo, nasa jeep, naglalakad, nagpi-Facebook, Ayan. So may Facebook page po ang SBMA Ecology Center, pati ang law enforcement department. And you may call their numbers then. Okay? Or any SBMA-related pages, pwede nyo pong i-contactin, no? So those are the things to do when you encounter a nesting sea turtle. Nesting season na, no? Ibig sabihin panahon ng pangingitlog. Yan. Pero yung mga tropa ko all season nangingitlog. Itlogan niya mga yan Alam niyo nakakatawa yung bagsakan ng itlog, no? 'Di ba yung bagsakan ng scrap, 'di ba? Scrapan. Bagsakan ng bigas, bigasan. Pero yung bagsakan ng itlog, pateros no? Hindi itlogan, pateros. Yan ang bagsakan ng itlog sa sa Marikina ba 'yon? Ayan, okay. So bakit matatalim yung ngipin nila? Sabi ko nga, gawa ng evolution naging matalim yung ngipin ng sea turtle kasi kaya importante ang sea turtle, isa sa mga sa ecosystem isa sa mga trabaho nila, kumakain sila ng seagrass and other sea plants. 'Di ba? They prevent overgrowing. 'Yun, sila nagpe-prevent ng overgrowing. Alam mo, magaling ang design ng ecology system natin yung pinaka-ecosystem natin, magaling ang pagkaka-design niyan. Yung sharks naman, sila naman yung nagki-keep in check ng populasyon ng sea turtle para hindi sila sumobrang dami. 'Di ba? Pero medyo konti medyo kailangan ng survival, kailangan nating pataasin yung survival rate ng sea turtles Kaya nga pinoprotektahan nila yung mga nesting sea turtles no? Yan, okay? And isa pang kinikip in check ng ang population ng shark. Ito talagang marami. Sea lion, the seals. Yan, okay? So yung sea turtle naman, they keep in check yung mga plants that grow para hindi maging sobrang dami nung seagrass, yung ano pa ba? Hindi kasi ako masyadong pamilyar sa mga sea plants no? Yun. Para hindi sobra-sobra. Yun. They eat it. Eat it. Just eat it, eat it, eat it. So yan, that's the importance of the sea turtle in the ecosystem. And may iba pa, may mga iba pa silang roles syempre. Yan, okay? So there you have it. Kaping mainit. Alright, and shout out kay Ate Gemma at Vincula. Hi Ate Gemma, how you doing? I hope you're doing fine, okay? Pati na rin sa everybody sa bingo party at the public market, East Bahak Public Market, yung binguhan, yung mga mahilig magbingo dyan. Hi! Hello sa inyo mga suki sa bingo. May mga suki ako sa bingo Dati akong teacher ng bingo Yung mga estudyante ko, I miss you guys, okay? Also to Ate Tess Hernandez from Fukuyama, Japan, okay? I hope you're doing fine. Alright? Yeah. Our condolences na rin pala sa the Hernandez family kasi yung friend nating si Ate Tess, his father just, passed away the other day ba? Yeah. Okay. So our condolences po, the Hernandez family. Pero hindi ako makadalaw no dahil yung dad niya kasi sa Cavite no. Yeah. Okay, pasensya na. But anyways, nonetheless, yeah, our condolences. Our friends, the entire Hernandez family. Yan, okay? Me to give you the invites this time coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the pre-holiday sale up to 80% off plus additional 10% off starts September. So start na ngayon, September na Pero congratulations muna sa SM City Olongapo Central for having the successful, lagi naman successful of course, yes. Ganun sila kagaling. Ang 3-day sale which was held August 29, 30, and 31. Congratulations SM City Olongapo Central. Pero dito tayo sa our home, pre-holiday sale, the entire month of September, okay? All sofa on sale up to 70% off. Furniture picks under 20,000 pesos up to 70% off on furnitures and home accessories. Mattresses up to 80% off plus additional 10% off. Up to 50% off on select showroom items. Salem bed frame plus mattress bundles only 15,950. SM Central, third level, our home. And check out the Mulak Bakery promo. Super 40 giveaways. Bear months are here and we're celebrating SM's 40 Super Years. 8 lucky winners will enjoy 1 box of cheese roll, 1 rice meal of choice plus 400 cash voucher. Valid for Ensaymada purchases only. Okay? Redeemable at any Mulak Ensaymada SM branch until September 9, 2025. And in-store purchase only, can be used on top of existing promos. Just simply follow the Mulak Bakery at SM Supermalls. Like the post there and share it to your stories. And then complete the praise, my best memory in SM. Okay, and tag 3 friends. It's as easy as that. Okay. SM City Olongapo Downtown's Company of the Month is Dashan Shoes. Alright? So all Dashan employees, this one's for you. Just bring your ID, of course, September 1 to 30 at SM Downtown. Get special deals for you. And the Smack SM Home Smacktastic Home Sale, 50% off plus additional 10% off when you use your Smack and Prestige cards. Until September 15 only, the SM Home Smacktastic Sale. And now showing at SM Cinemas, Conjuring. Alright, The Conjuring Last Rites. Uy, pang last na raw, no? Last Rites. Oh. Pero alam niyo yung Conjuring, ano yan eh? Pangalawan lang yan eh. Ang nauna, Con Before, tsaka Conjuring, and then Kung After. Narinig mo na yun, joke na yun. Sa akin pa lang, no? Con Before, Conjuring, Con After. Enter a haunting so disturbing it blurs the line between the living and the dead. Shadows whisper, doors creak, and the fear is real. Conjuring Last Rites open September 3. Oh, malapit na. At SM City Olongapo Central Cinema. Gusto kong panoorin to. Takutan to, no? Alam niyo, nakakatawa si Mahal, no? Pagka niyaya ka manood ng nakakatakot. Diba? Manonood kayo nakakatakot, tapos panay ang hampas sa braso mo. Pag nakakatakot na, no? Hahampas-hampasin yung braso mo. Tatakpan yung mukha. Dahil nakakatakot na yung eksena. Ang cute, no? Ang sarap konyatan. And the SM City Olongapo Central presents the Super Spelling Bee. Okay. Join SM Super Spelling Bee 2025 and get a chance to win over 3 million pesos worth of exciting prizes, college scholarships, laptop and school supplies, up to 50,000 worth of cash, and gift certificates. Register now via SM Malls online or go to SM City Olongapo Central Admin Office to register. Okay? This will be on September 20, 2025. Pero mas maganda if you'll go register early na, no? Okay, earlier. And next up, we have the Subaru Crosstrek GT is on display at SM City Olongapo Central. Save up to 280K plus free GT kits. It's on display until September 2, hanggang bukas na lang. So you guys better hurry if you wanna see it at SM City Olongapo Central, okay? And mark your calendars, yung mga mahilig mag-coastal cleanup, yung mga gustong tumulong para maglinis, no? The International Coastal Cleanup of SM City Olongapo Central will be happening September 20, Saturday, 7 a.m., Calaklan, Parola. So let's unite for a waste-free future, part of the 40 Super Years. Vibes Massage present parking treats. Present the same day parking tickets and get exclusive discounts at any of our massage services. Okay? Bed massage, chair massage, foot massage, massage with hot stone. Okay? All day 20% discount. It's at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Vibes Massage. And QQ Ramen is gonna be opening soon at SM Downtown also. Starts at 99 pesos only. QQ Ramen coming soon. And pay for your government bills every day. Proceed to the second floor near the stationary bills payment counter of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Government bills. And lastly, the Shop and Dine promo. Get free garlic butter chicken or buttered chicken at Classic Sabri with a 2,000 peso single receipt spend at SM Store. Okay? SM Store, Olongapo Central Shop and Dine promo up until September 15. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ako rin, gusto ko rin kayo i-invite this coming Saturday. Of course, once again, we will be at Acapella Cafe. Uy, thank you last Saturday ha, yung mga pumunta, nanood, nakinig. Yan, sa aming stand-up comedy plus poetry reading. Pwede rin kayong join if you do poetry. If you wanna sing, pwede rin. Basta anything that has to do with microphone. O, diba? Kung gusto nyo mag-rap, mag-flip-top battle, gusto nyo kumanta, gusto nyong, ano pa ba, storytelling, simply storytelling, di ba? Kwento nyo yung story ng buhay nyo, pwede, makikinig kami. And stand-up comedy, that's what we do every Saturday. Yan, okay? So, thank you again last Saturday, yung pumunta sa Acapella Cafe. We will be doing it this Saturday again. And of course, every Saturday, Acapella Cafe is at Burgos Street, Barangay Wawandwe at Subic Central. Yan. Subic Central lang, daling puntahan, no? Sakay ka ng jeep na blue. Pagdating sa Subic Central, yung pinaka-central ng Subic, nandoon yung munisipyo, and then may ano doon may ano ba yun nandun? McDo ba yun o Jollibee? Tapos may gasoline station na malaki. Yan, yung curve, yung kurbada, yun yung pinaka-central di ba? Tapos may market doon, yun. Okay? Sa harap ng gasoline station, nandoon yung Burgos Street. Pasok kayo doon. You're gonna be just a few steps away from Acapella Cafe. Yan. Fun starts at 8 p.m. So, you're all invited. This coming Saturday ulit. Punta po kayo, ha? Alright? Okay. And if you wanna do open mic, kung medyo nahihiya ka, parang mag-i-start ka pa lang, we do mentoring. Yan. Pwede namin kayong turuan. Tsaka doon, hindi ka naman mahihiya doon dahil at Acapella Cafe, parang headquarters namin yan We do practice there. Parang practice lang. Hindi pa naman yun talaga yung game no. Hindi pa naman, ha? So, do join us. Galit ka. This coming Saturday at Acapella Cafe. Okay? Meron kami naging guest last Saturday na na magsing irog, parang date yata nila yun Alam mo nakakatuwa yung dating ngayon, ibang-iba na yung dating ngayon, yung mga nagde-date ngayon very progressive sila. Nakikita ko minsan share sila sa bayad, di ba? O kaya kung sino yung may trabaho, kahit yung babae may trabaho, siya sagot niya yung date, no? Nung unang panahon hindi pwede yan lalaki lagi di ba? If you guys remember, you guys are familiar, 80s, 90s, talagang strictly lalaki lagi magbabayad, strictly. Di ba? Lalaki lang lagi. Ngayon, nagbago na. Ngayon, lalaki pala yung kadate mo. Dati may nakadate ako Ang pangalan, Julio pala. Akala ko Julia Nagpakilala sa akin, Julia Nalaman ko na lang ng Julio And by the way, we're looking for possible DJs. Ito talagang tunay ito yung mga gusto mag-apply. Punta lang kayo dito sa Radyo Bandera. It still stands no? Am I right? DJ Giselle, no? We are still open sa mga gusto mag-apply, no? Yung mga gustong try mag-DJ, we're open. Yan, okay? Talagang tumatanggap kami. Yun, hindi tulad nung naririnig yung commercial. So, you wanna be a DJ? 2 years na yun. Wala pa rin nakukuha. Paano? Gusto niya yung yung pwede niyang paglaruan. Parang Narinig mo yan? Yung yung commercial na yan? So, you wanna be a DJ? 2 taon na yun mahigit Wala naman nangyayari. Kahit naman noon, ganun pero wala. Kailangan to a certain exact specifications yung madaling mauto, yung mga gano'n. Yung mamanipulate, parang gano'n. Ito totoo sa amin. Talagang pag nag-apply kayo, we will test and try you. Punta lang kayo sa Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. Located kami sa 4th level ng Casa Gilda Resort. Yan. And Casa Gilda Resort is located at Holy Spirit Village in Tabacuhan, Santa Rita, Olongapo City. Okay? Punta lang po kayo. Yan. Alright? And then nasa 4th level, sa baba may swimming pool. O, pag natanggap kayo, pwedeng diretso lundag na sa swimming pool. Tanggap ka na eh. Sa mga gusto rin magpa-advertise, sagot na namin yung swimming nyo. Libre swimming sa swimming pool pag natapos na yung na-close deal na yung radio commercial. Di ba? Kami lang ang radio station na nag-o-offer ng ganyan. Tsaka tunay na naghahanap ng DJ, nagpapa-apply ng DJ tunay. Totoo. Hindi yung japakes lang, no? I came across my high school friend the other day, si Romeo. Sabi niya, pare, kamusta na? Nakita niya yung tingin ko sa kanya na parang hindi ko siya makilala siguro, parang ganun. Sabi niya, classmate mo ako dati. Sabi niya ganun. Hindi mo ako naaalala. Sabi niya, maring hindi mo ako nakikilala kasi medyo pumayat na ako ngayon. Ang payat ko na. Sabi ko, ang taba mo pa rin eh. Nakita kami sa sa Tagaytay. Ayun. Oh, by the way, speaking of Tagaytay, alam niyo ba yung English ng Tagaytay? Father, it's your turn to drink. Tagaytay. Yung kainta, alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ng kainta? Auntie, let's eat. Kainta. Yung Manila. Alam niyo yung English ng Manila? Tagalog yan syempre. Ang English ng Manila, Grandma, have some peanuts. Manila. Tapos alam mo yung katas ng prutas? Meron palang English, meron palang Bisaya word sa katas ng prutas. Ang Bisaya word for it is Pruit Joes. Narinig ko sa nanay ko sabi niya, anak, pahingi nga ng Pruit Joes. Sabi ko, anong Pruit Joes? Yung orange. Minsan strawberry. Fruit juice. Pruit Joes. Narinig mo na istorya ng Narinig nyo na istorya ng yung bus na punong-puno ng madre nahulog sa bangin. So, syempre, napunta sila sa heaven. Mga madre yun di ba? Pero bago pala pumasok sa gates ng heaven, nandoon si San Pedro. Meron pa silang test na gagawin. Di ba? Kung nagkasala ka pa rin o hindi. Kasi kahit madre ka, meron at meron pa rin yan, no? So, ganito ang test, ganito ang gagawin. Sabing ganun ni Saint Peter. Bago ka pumasok sa gates ng heaven, kailangan umamin ka. Was there a time na, alam mo yon, kasi madre, babae, di ba? Was there a time na nakahawak ka ng alam mo na, ng lalaki, parang gano'n, ng ganong, yung part, di ba? Sabing gano'n, kasalanan kasi yon. Pero pwede ka pa rin naman pumasok sa pinto, basta, ang gagawin mo lang, nandito yung holy water, isasawsaw mo yung kamay mo. Umamin yung unang madre. There was a time po na nahawakan ko, pero hindi sinasadya. Kasi tumatakbo ako, natamaan while swinging. O sige, hindi mo naman sinasadya, natamaan. Pero ilublob mo lang yung kamay mo dito sa holy water. Pasok ka na sa heaven. O di pumasok, di ba? Di yung sumunod, sabi, ikaw sister, nahawakan mo na ba or natamaan? Sabi niya, there was a time po na tumama yung siko ko. Sabi nga ganun. Hindi ko naman sinasadya, natamaan. Nasa likod kasi siya. Nag-i-stretching ako. O sige, isawsaw mo sa holy water yung siko mo para makapasok ka na. Maya-maya, nasa dulo. Tumatakbo, sabing ganun. Saint Peter, pwede ba magmumug na ako? Unahan ko na yung nasa harap ko bago niya ipaligo. Narinig mo na yung story na yun? Ngayon pa lang, no? Also, ma-share ko lang. Alam niyo, when I was young, I came from a poor I came from a poor family. Ganyan mo English, yung Pilipino mag-English, no? Nagpapalit yung F tsaka yung P. I came from a poor family. Nung bata pa kami, dahil mahirap lang kami, natutulog kami sa sa sala. yung pinakadulo, yung bunso ko. Nasa sala kami, tabi-tabi. Mahirap lang kasi kami. Wala kaming sariling room. Yung bunso namin, kailangan wag siya malikot kasi pag gumulong siya, kalsada na. Okay? Sa hirap ng buhay, naranasan kong magtrabaho ng kung ano-ano. No? Nasubukan kong mag-ikot sa mga hotel, trying to sell yung fabric softener, yung mga laundry detergent sa mga hotel, yung mga ganun ba? Even magtrabaho sa zoo. Nasubukan ko na magtrabaho sa zoo. Yung isang attraction namin sa zoo, yung gorilla na makulit, natuto na eh. Marunong na magpatawa eh. Kasi nakikita niya pag masaya yung tao, alam niya na yung gagawin niya eh, no? Ang problema, there was a time, dahil sa katandaan niya na namatay yung gorilla. Okay? So, nilapitan ako ng boss namin. Sabi ng boss namin, Tommy, since namatay yung gorilla natin, main attraction natin yon, meron tayong gorilla costume dyan na mukhang tunay. Pwede bang gamitin mo muna habang wala pa tayong bagong gorilla? Sabi ko, naku sir, mahirap yan. Sabi niya, sige na. Habang every time na gagawin mo yan, double pay ka. Sabi niya gano'n. Diba? Eh, syempre, ako naman, di nasilaw ako sa double pay. Pumayag ako ngayon. Di sinuot ko. Mukha ngang tunay na gorilla. Hindi mo masabi, no? Napeke eh. So sabi niya, sige, madali lang yan. Sabi ng boss ko, basta gawin mo lang yung mga laging ginagawa nung gorilla. Eh, madalas yun, naglalambitin sa puno eh, di ba? So, di ginaya ko nga. Bumilib yung mga tao, palakpakan. Kala na, tunay na gorilla. Kaso, ang problema, dumating yung time na paglambitin ko, nabali yung sanga. Alam nyo kung saan ako bumagsak? Doon ako bumagsak sa lugar kung nasaan yung leon. Di natakot ako ngayon, sisigaw na sana ako. Lumapit yung leon eh. Nagulat ako paglapit ng leon, sabi niya, "Huwag kang maingay, mawawalan tayo ng trabaho," sabi ng leon. Sisigaw sana ako eh. Di mo na-gets? Lumapit yung leon, takot ako eh. Eh biglang bumulong, sabi niya, "Huwag kang maingay, mabubuking tayo." Pareho tayong mawawalan ng trabaho. Yung kasama ko si Jomar, siya pala yung pinagsuot ng leon. Okay, sige, yun na. That's about it. That's the time we have for this edition of the Night Jam. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, Night of Fun and Music ang Night Jam eh. Bandera Night Jam. So join me again tomorrow. Magdadala pa ako ng maraming jokes bukas ha. Medyo hindi masyadong natawa si ano eh. Papatawanin ko ng gusto. Thank you for joining me. Maraming salamat po. And that's it for me. Catch me again tomorrow. Same time, same place, same station, same frequency. 107.1 News FM, Radyo Bandera. Okay. Maraming salamat po. And here's my final song for you guys dahil September 1 na. This is Jingle Bell Rock. With this song for now, Tommy G, same pace. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Jingle Bell.